Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll app. Here we go to settings. Here on this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Crunchyroll and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.